Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Grab yourself a sweet tea and come see where we've been to this time. Today we are in the heart of the Hoosier State in Indianapolis. We're starting off at White River State Park. Now I know what you're thinking, a park is a park, but no ma'am, no sir, this one is something special. You start walking along that central canal and suddenly the whole city just hushes itself. The water sparkles, folks walk by like they ain't got a care in the world, and the skyline's over there looking all proud like it knows it's photogenic. Now sugar, let me tell you about one of my favorite spots, the sculpture park. You wander into this little outdoor art garden and suddenly you're surrounded by these big old sculptures standing out in the sunshine like they're having their own family reunion. Now y'all, this park sits right near Victory Field, the home of the Indianapolis Indians. And my brother, Pops, and I went to watch a game that afternoon as well. Let me know in them there comments if you've ever been here or if there is something that we missed. Also, don't y'all forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can see y'all back here next time.